Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share my experience with a projector that's absolutely blown me away. The Dangbei DBX3 Pro 4K projector. Trust me, this one has completely redefined my home theater setup. Let's start with the visuals, because that's what matters most, right? The Dangbei DBX3 Pro offers true 4K resolution with 1800 ISO lumens of brightness. And let me tell you, the picture quality is mind-blowing. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or streaming your favorite shows, everything is crystal clear, vibrant, and lifelike. It's like having a cinema right in your living room. The brightness is another thing that really impressed me. With 1800 ISO lumens, the picture is super bright even during the daytime. You don't have to black out your room completely, which is a big win for me. Next up, the sound. Dangbei packed this thing with dual 10W HiFi speakers. And wow, the audio quality is amazing. The sound is rich, clear, and fills the room without the need for external speakers. Of course, if you want to connect a soundbar or home theater system, it's got you covered too. One of the coolest features is its autofocus and Keystone correction. Setting this projector up is a breeze. Just place it where you want, turn it on, and it automatically adjusts to give you the perfect screen alignment. No fiddling or frustration, it just works. And let's talk about its performance. With 4 GB of RAM and a massive 128 GB of storage, this projector is snappy and fast. It runs on Android, so you get access to all your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. You can even download and store content directly on it. No lag, no buffering issues. Lastly, the projector supports HDR10, which enhances the contrast and color depth, making dark scenes darker and bright scenes pop. Gaming on this is next level too, with smooth performance and stunning visuals. Honestly, this projector has exceeded all my expectations. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just someone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup, I can't recommend the Dangbei DBX3 Pro enough. For its price, the features it offers are unbeatable. If you're interested in checking it out, I've added a link in the description where you can grab it on Amazon with discount and coupon code.